that we were once just like you. But something changed life as we knew. Now we've got hope inside this tent. Once it starts, we can't repent. Come on down and see us. Welcome to the freak show. We're real but treated like freaks. Whoa. Come on down, enjoy the shining glow. You won't see us for free. Though the time is slipping through our hands, but we will play now as it stands. I hope we hope it's not for naught. A peaceful life is what we thought, but this time we're playing. Open your eyes. You see it but can't quite escape. No formula, so nice. You bury the one that you love. Help me. Welcome to the freak show. We're real but treated like freaks. Whoa. Come on down, enjoy the shining glow. You won't see us for free. Welcome to the freak show.
Maintenant, écoutez-moi, je sais que ce n'est pas la ville dans laquelle nous étions hier. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Je sais que c'est elle. Ne me tourne pas le dos. Je te parle, Daniel.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
You lot are worse than a bad case of scale mites. Do you know that?
Apologies for those who were looking forward to meeting the mayor of the last town.
Tell me why is it that every time we find a city that matches my class, you find a way to mess things up?
Lo siento, no habla inglés. No
Do you
habla
dumbasses ever
inglés.
quit your damn chatter?
Come on, guys. We all have to work together. Can't we all just get along for once?
Plutôt mourir que de m'entendre avec elle.
She can escargot fuck herself!
Hun, 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 upon teta.
All right. That's enough. That's enough.
I know tensions are high, but you all have 24 hours to acclimate to your surroundings before the show tomorrow. And that means no fighting, no running off, and false love of whatever greater being you look up to. Do not eat anyone. And that is final.
Hey!
Oh, and wait. It seems the elephants have made a mess during travel, and it needs immediate attention.
And I'm pretty much their biggest fan. Oh, maybe they'll sign my... What? Hey, that wasn't a joke, you pendejos! Quit your giggling! Hey, Shiori, check this out. Hey, Shiori.
Stupid dandy. Stupid elephants. Stupid cheap shovel. This isn't what I thought was gonna happen when I joined the circus. You're not my dad, Dandy. You can't tell me what to do. You might be my boss, but you're not my dad. Huh? Hey, Punkity Ann! You really showed Celis, huh?
Huh? What?
Ella que habla idioma caracol.
Snails are slimy.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of snails earlier, but, well, I had to smash them.
I can't believe you would kill those creatures.
They were slithering on my drawings, so they had to go. Hey! Dandy!
Forget something?
Dang it, Maverick. I won't see you unless you do something that makes you stand out.
Ah, eres rebelde de nuevo.
Well, yeah. I'm hungry, and the food at the tent totally sucks.
Grito Chaos y deja que los perros de guerra escapen.
Looks like the circus is in town.
Cierra la puta boca, troglodita degenerado.
Is it meal time?
¡Mátalos! ¡Matarlos a todos! Nadie se salvará, excepto mujeres y niños.
Go ahead, take my wallet. Take whatever you want. I don't have that much money, but you can have it. I don't need a place to let me go.
Dandy, I haven't even gotten to the fun part yet.
I think you and your little friend have had enough fun for one day.
What? Damn it. Come on, Dandy. Just a little snack.
Now, Patricia.
Ore a cualquier Dios que crees y agradece por este acto de misericordia.
Oh! Down low.
The wallet. Patricia.
Tendrás que sacar esta billetera de mis manos frías y muertas, viejo. Uy.
Finir ça. Rendre les propres.
I never thought you would speak your mother's tongue. It warms my heart. Do you have the ferry? I found someone who wants to buy it.
What's going on? Who are you?
Ladies and monsters, it's showtime.
What are you fussing about, Scales? You know you're gonna do great.
You always say I'm going to do great.
Yeah, because you're my girlfriend.
Is that the only reason why? Just kidding.
I love you. I love you.